dear friends. In last class, we have discussed about problems solved on properties of inverse trigonometric functions. In today's class also continue that properties of inverse trigonometric functions problems. So problem example 1, find the value of cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is mod x so greater than or equal to 1. So find the value of this function. Select or given cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x, that is equal to, property 4. By property 4, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So substitute this place, that is cos pi by 2. That is, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So therefore, say cos of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to cos pi by 2. Pi by 2, that is 90 degree. Cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0. The value of this function is 0. Similarly, so one more. Find the value of cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. What is the value of this function? So also cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A, again by using property 4. What is the value of this? So value is pi by 2. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is also, that is pi by 2, it is cot pi by 2. Since tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to pi by 2. So therefore, cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A is equal to cot 90 degree. The value of cot 90 degree is 0. The value of this function also 0. Similarly, the next example, find the value of example 3. Find the value of value of tan inverse of 2 cos into 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Find the value of this function also. So therefore, or given tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 sin inverse 1 by 2, that is equals tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 into, value of sin inverse 1 by 2. Sin inverse 1 by 2 is pi by 6. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. That is 30 is pi by 6. That is equal to tan inverse of 2 cos into 2 ones are 2 threes are, that is cos pi by 3 cos 60 degree, that is equal to tan inverse of 2 cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2. 2 gets cancellation. It is equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. The value of this is pi by 4. The next one more example. Find the value of sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So given sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2, it is equal to sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 minus pi by 6, that is equal to sine of pi by 3 minus into minus is plus pi by 6. Therefore, sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is sine of pi by 3 plus pi by 6. What is the LCM? So LCM is 6. It is, so 3 2 pi plus pi, that is equal to sine of 3 pi by 6, that is equal to sine of 3 ones are 3 twos are pi by 2. What is the value of sine pi by 2? The value of sine pi by 2 is 1. The value of this function is 1. The next example, one more. Find the value of tan inverse root 3 tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3. So right, let tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 equals tan inverse of root 3, that is pi by 3, tan 60 degree, that is root 3, minus of cot inverse of minus root 3, that is pi minus pi by 6, that is equal to pi by 3 minus 6 pi minus pi becomes 5 pi by 6. Again, LCM 3 and 6 is 6, 2 pi minus 5 pi. Minus 5 pi, so subtract plus 2 pi becomes minus 3 pi divided by 6 equals 3 ones are 3 twos are minus pi by 2. The value of this function is minus pi by 2. The next one more example, find the value of tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse 2x dividing by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square dividing by 1 plus y square. So find the value of this function also. That is my mod x less than 1, y greater than 0 and x y less than 1. So therefore, or let tan inverse of tan 1 by 2 into sine inverse of 2x dividing by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square equals tan 1 by 2 sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, that is property 6, 2 tan inverse x plus, that is also property 6, 2 tan inverse y, that is equal to tan 1 by 2, take common 2 in bracket, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, 2 gets cancellation, tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, formula tan inverse of x plus y dividing by 1 minus xy. Now tan of tan inverse theta, that is equal to theta, that is x plus y dividing by 1 minus xy. So value of this function is x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. The next example, if sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. What is the value of this function? Select sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. The next, sine inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sine. Goes to right hand side, sine inverse of 1. Therefore, sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to, sine inverse 1, it is pi by 2. So therefore, sine inverse of 1 by 5 equals pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So therefore, sine inverse 1 by 5 is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is equal to sine inverse x. That is, since sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, sine inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Therefore, sine inverse cancel. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by 5. The value of x is 1 by 5. The next one more example, if tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 equals pi by 4. Then find the value of x. Then find the value of x. So write given tan tan inverse x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 equals pi by 4. You know tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So by using that property, so property number 5, that is tan inverse of, right, x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole divided by 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. So therefore, here x minus, take LCM, x minus 2 into x plus 2 in numerator, x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2. So whole divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2, the LCM, x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals tan inverse, goes to right hand side, tan pi by 4. So now multiply this product of two terms, x square plus 2x minus x minus into plus minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2. X minus 2 into x plus 2, denominators are cancellation, dividing by x square plus 2x minus 2x minus 4 minus x square minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus x minus into minus plus 1 equals tan pi by 4 is 1. Plus 2x minus 2x cancellation, plus x minus x cancellation, x square plus x square 2x square minus 2 becomes minus 4, dividing by plus 2x minus 2x cancellation plus x square minus x square cancellation plus x minus x cancellation minus 4 plus 1, subtract that minus 3 is equal to 1. The next, by cross multiply that equation, 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Therefore 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. Therefore 2x square is equal to 1. Therefore x square is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x square, x is plus or minus root of 1 by 2. Therefore, x is plus or minus 1 divided by root 2. The value of x is plus or minus 1 divided by root 2. The next, so one more example, find the value of sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3. Find the value of this function. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Here 2 pi by 3 does not belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So therefore, simplify that sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 pi minus pi by 3. Sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3, or pi by 3, that is equal to sine inverse of sine pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 can be written as pi minus pi by 3. That is equal to sine inverse of sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, that is sine pi by 3. Now sine inverse of sine theta, theta is pi by 3. This pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is equal to pi by 3. Since pi by 3 belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So therefore, the value of sine inverse sine 2 pi by 3 is pi by 3. The next example, find the value of tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, that means 135 degree, does not belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. 3 pi by 4 does not belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So therefore, simplify that tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4, that is equal to tan inverse of tan pi minus pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta, that is minus tan pi by 4. Therefore, tan inverse of minus tan pi by 4 is tan of minus pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 4. Since minus pi by 4 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Therefore, the value of this function is minus pi by 4. The next example, find the value of cos inverse find the value of cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6 13 pi by 6. So 13 pi by 6, that is 30. 13 into 30 becomes 390. That is 13 pi by 6 does not belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. So therefore simplify that function. Cos inverse of cos 13 pi by 6 is equal to cos inverse of cos 2 pi plus pi by 6. 2 pi plus pi by 6, that is 13 pi by 6. So equals cos inverse of cos 360. 2 pi means 360. 2 pi plus theta, 360 plus theta is cos theta, cos pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos theta is theta, that is pi by 6. Since this pi by 6 belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. The next example, tan inverse, find the value of tan inverse of tan 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 to 10 degree. To 10 degree does not belongs to minus 90 comma plus 90. So therefore we can simplify that. Tan inverse of tan 7 pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse of tan 7 pi minus pi pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6, that is equal to tan inverse of tan 180 plus theta is tan theta, that is tan pi by 6, that is equal to tan inverse of tan theta is pi by 6. Is pi by 6, since pi by 6 belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. The next one more example, find the value of cos inverse cos 7 pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 does not belongs to 0 comma pi. So therefore cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6, that is equal to cos inverse of cos pi plus pi by 6. Cos inverse of cos 180 plus theta is minus cos pi by 6. Therefore cos inverse of minus cos of pi by 6 can be written as, say, cos of 180 minus pi by 6, that is equal to cos inverse of cos 180, that is cos 6 pi minus 5 becomes 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 belongs to 0 comma pi, that is 5 pi by 6, since 5 pi by 6 belongs to closed interval 0 comma pi. So therefore the value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6 is 5 pi by 6. The next one more example, find the value of sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5. This 3 pi by 5 does not belongs to minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So therefore simplify this. Sine inverse of sine 3 pi by 5 is equal to sine inverse of sine 2 pi minus, that is pi minus 2 pi by 5. 5 pi minus 2 pi becomes 3 pi by 5, that is equal to sine inverse of 180 minus theta, that is sine 2 pi by 5 is equal to 2 pi by 5. So here 2 pi by 5 belongs to 2 pi by 5 belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So okay students, stop here. So we'll continue in next class.